All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Rndr. Rndr is taking the cryptocurrency market by storm once again. Another great day, up 15.7% on the daily time frame. And if we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, guys, Rndr is up 43.4%. One of the very few coins in the cryptocurrency market on the weekly, really outpacing the market right now. And this is something I was expecting. Of course, if you guys have been watching my Rndr updates, which a lot of you guys are leaving a lot of great and positive feedback. People are expecting this as well. But let's talk about what really is next. But before we get into it, guys, I want to know from you guys as well, especially the Rndr community. At about 5 hours back, guys, this is quite recent, I did a poll on my channel. I said Rndr is absolutely sending right now. What's the next big mover? And of course, these are the options. Let me know also down below which project you think that could pull something that Rndr has done. So I would love to know your comments down below, but let's talk about Rndr, of course, because that's what everyone is here for. You guys can see the price is above $3.40 to be exact, $3.47. It's up 15% in all three comparatives. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD comparative. Market cap approaching that $1.3 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume sitting at 262.8 million, which is obviously increasing from our previous update. And again, should not be a surprise to any one of us. The entire market is picking up as well, and of course Rndr has majority of the momentum, which is causing the price to really pick up. Before we get into the Rndr charts, I wanted to show you guys BTC. You guys can see Bitcoin. This is literally the let's count this. This is literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, literally the 6th day where we managed to see the price go back above the $36,229 resistance. Of course, now it's playing as a level of support, but Bitcoin's looking great. If we're looking at the BTC dominance index, it's also picking up a little bit, but altcoins are breathing due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a bounce as well. So that is great to see. But what is really next for Rndr? Looks like it's wanting to break out of this huge level of resistance that it's unable to retest since February of last year, guys. February 3rd of last year was the last time the price of Rndr was at $4.29. And the way the chart's looking right now, just like it wants to test that resistance as soon as possible. You guys can see exactly what we were projecting on our channel. The resistance that was coming in the way was, of course, the $3.30. We literally, you can see this for yourself, $3.32 to be exact. That resistance came into play. We saw a rejection. Let me show you guys on the hourly time frame. You guys can see this for yourself. We saw a rejection. Went all the way down to this $2.79. Of course, the entire market also saw a little bit of a cool off. But if you manage to load up some Rndr at this $2.79 mark, which was just yesterday, guys, you saw an increase of about 25.57%. So it's no secret at this point that Rndr has majority of the momentum, and this is something we've sensed on our channel early on, especially over the past few days. I've been saying that Rndr is looking like it wants to break out, and we are seeing significant price movements. And the main target right now for Rndr is at this $4 and 4.01 cents. And I think in the next few, possibly in the next few day or two, we could be retesting this level. That's a 15.4% move from the current price levels, which seems like more likely than ever that we're going to retest this. And this is going to be literally after 8 months. Last time we saw the price retest this resistance, we saw a clear rejection, and of course we retested it again. We saw another rejection. This time around, what I'm expecting is we will retest it but see a rejection. But if the volume is good enough, we will pop out and start heading to some levels we have not seen since 2021 quarter four. So great things definitely happening with Rndr right now. I do have my eyes on very, very closely on this. I know a lot of people are excited about this, but let me know down below where you could see the price of Rndr going as we do go further into the year. Obviously we're almost done the year of 2023, but where do you see Rndr ranking with the other cryptocurrencies, into 2024? Let me know in the comment section. And of course, also let me know in the comment section what excites you the most about Rndr. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. Love each and every one of you guys. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.